Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I am a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, I have an injunction for cyber harassment filed against me. What do I do? Okay, well, you didn't give me a whole lot of information to go on about the totality of the circumstances, but when it comes to filing an injunction against harassment or otherwise called a restraining order, a person who wants to stop you from contacting them has to go to the court, get the order, and then get you served. And the order doesn't go into effect until you're served. So if it's a situation where you know that someone has obtained the injunction, but you haven't been served yet, you're not bound by it. But if you have been served, read that document carefully. I would consult an attorney immediately if you've been served with an injunction to make sure that you understand the limitations of it, because it may say things like you can't contact the person, you can't be within a certain number of feet of them, their home, their business, their family. There may be restrictions on your ability to have weapons or access to weapons. So you want to read through all that carefully. And as part of that paperwork, it should include information about how you can contest the injunction or that restraining order and try to get it quashed, so that if you want to challenge it, you definitely want to have an attorney at your side advocating on your behalf to explain to the court why the injunction or why the restraining order shouldn't have been granted in the first place to get it taken away. But otherwise, if you've been served and you didn't respond, and you're not going to respond, then you are bound by the limitations of that restraining order, of that injunction. And if you violate it, that person could call the police and could end up with you being arrested for perhaps something like harassment or something along those lines. These things are all based on state laws, so you'd have to check the laws of your community. If you have questions about injunctions against harassment or getting a restraining order, contact an attorney in your community, your local court, or a domestic violence resource center in your community. Those are all great places to get reliable information. I hope this has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave comments below if you want to contribute to the conversation. Always fun to get feedback from people. I try to put out new content every week, so please subscribe. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.